Chicago winters aren't just cold, they're freeze-your-nose-off cold. So how do they keep trains running smoothly when the wind chill hits 50 below zero? Simple. They set the train tracks on fire. It might look wild, but this century-old technique is key to combating the harsh winter chill. Extreme cold can cause steel rails to contract, leading to breaks and dangerous derailments. So, how do these fiery rails work? Gas-fed heaters run alongside the tracks to generate controlled flames. This keeps the rails warm, flexible, and safe. When temperatures drop, the metal shrinks, causing the rails to pull apart at their connections. Heating the tracks expands the metal, allowing for reconnection. Ice and snow can jam up railroad switch points, so heaters are used to melt away the ice and keep trains running smoothly. Maintenance crews light the heaters by hand and monitor the flames, ensuring they're effective without being too intense. The trains can safely pass over the flames since diesel fuel in trains combusts only with pressure and heat, not open flames. Previously, kerosene pots were used to thaw frozen tracks. Now, this modern method is safer and more efficient. This innovative use of heat ensures smooth and safe operations, even when Mother Nature unleashes her frosty fury. Have you ever seen any such technique being used in railways?